What is up, guys? So it's a little different today. I'm not sitting down, I'm kind of awkwardly leaning over and hunched over. But today we're gonna do a quick little tutorial on how to color grade your footage in Final Cut. This is for 2018 because in Final Cut 10.4, they updated the way that you can do this. It's now built into Final Cut, which is awesome. No more third-party libraries that you have to download and install. Now everything can be done basically almost straight through Final Cut with a few exceptions. Scrappy's digging into the bed. So let's just get this ball rolling and jump into the tutorial. Let's go. So we're just gonna hop into Final Cut real quick. Basically all I've done is taken a clip and dragged it down into the timeline. It's just a clip from when I was in Niagara Falls, just some drone footage of flying over the falls with some cool rainbows and stuff into it, just so you can kind of see what we're actually working with here. So the first way to do this is you go over to your effects tab, which is just right here. You click these little, it's like one square and then like a hollow square. You type in effects, you're gonna hit custom, and you're going to see an effect pop up called Custom LUT. Now you can take this, drag it directly onto your footage, and boom, you have LUTs installed on your footage. You can click whatever LUT you want to use. So if I click Orange Dolphin, boom, I all of a sudden have blue and orange color effects on my footage. However, you don't really want to do this. You always want to make sure your footage is dynamic and you're able to modify it without directly modifying the effects on the clip. So there's another way that we do this, and it's more efficient and kind of more recommended, is that you use an adjustment layer. Now I'm going to put a download link in the description for you to go download this adjustment layer, and I'm going to show you real quick how to install it. All you need to do is get to the adjustment layer folder. So inside that folder are these kind of files right here, and then you're going to be able to go back, copy this folder, go to where your Final Cut is installed. So for me, that's on my home directory under movies, inside iMotion templates, titles, adjustment, and then boom, adjustment layer. So just paste it anywhere basically inside this titles folder, and you should be able to see it in Final Cut. So we're gonna go back to Final Cut. If you go over to the third tab on the right up here and click that, if you type in adjustment, you're gonna see adjustment layer pop up. So this is a title, so we can actually drag that directly onto the timeline, and you'll be able to see it hover above your footage right here. And all you do is you take this custom LUT that we still have pulled up over here from our media, or from our effects, take that, drag it on top of the adjustment layer, and boom. Now we have the same custom LUT effect, but now it's installed on top of this adjustment layer. So anything we apply to this adjustment layer is going to apply to the clips below without directly modifying those clips. So for example, if I go up and I click Orange Dolphin, now this effect is still applied to my footage, but it's actually coming from the adjustment layer above it. So if I shorten this adjustment layer, halfway through where the adjustment layer stops, the LUT is going to stop applying. So if I play this real quick, and boom, the LUT is no longer applied halfway through the footage because it's coming from this adjustment layer. So, you know, this is actually what you want to use when you're applying effects to any of your footage, really, is use an adjustment layer. Again, the download link is going to be in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. I want these videos to kind of be fast. I don't want to waste anybody's time. I like when tutorials are to the point. So let me know if you have any questions about how we did anything that we did today. So anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. I know it's a little weird I'm standing up, not sitting down. It's kind of a little more informal, but I just wanted to give this little quick outro. Thank you guys for watching so much. I try to make these tutorials as fast as possible. I try to make these tutorials as fast as possible, so you're not sitting there watching a 15-minute video on how to do a 2-minute thing. If you guys have any requests, any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you want to see more tutorials and or videos. I apologize for what he's doing over there, so I'm just going to hit you with the outro. I'll see you guys in the next one.